Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by loading your footage and audio, get these files into the media pool, and drop them on the timeline. Make sure the project frame rate and resolution match your final delivery, otherwise captions may drift. Once clips are placed, scrub the timeline to identify speech segments and mark in /out points with I and O. This first pass saves time. You're establishing a clean, synced base so the subtitle tracks align precisely with spoken lines. Next, add a subtitle track from the timeline menu and choose the appropriate format. Text Plus offers styling, native subtitle offers burning options. You create cues by placing the playhead, pressing the Add Subtitle button, and typing the line. Adjust start and end times using clip edges or numeric trim fields so words appear with speech. Make sure to zoom the waveform for frame-level accuracy. Once done, use shortcuts to jump between cues and batch edit timing or content to keep pace efficient. Finally, style your subtitles in the inspector. Pick readable font size, color, and safe margins so text is clear on all devices. Then move to deliver. Choose embedded, SRT, or burned-in subtitles depending on your workflow. Export a short test clip to verify. If you see drift or missing lines, make sure project and source frame rates match and that any speed changes were applied before subtitle timing, correcting that fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.